This is one of the Justicia species of Bangalore. That is, in the neglected and weedy places in the outskirts of the city and all, this can be found where there is no digging and all. And this Justicia is a very huge family. There are Justicias evolved for just about every type of location, from Western Ghats heavy rainfall areas to dry deciduous places like Tamil Nadu and Bangalore, that Bangalore region and all, and desert, mountain, all possible niches in the geoclimatic zones have members evolved from this Justicia family. And this one, it's good for rain-fed gardens and all. You don't have to look after it because it is designed for that kind of climate only. And it's a weedy plant also, and very beautiful. The leaves and all, the stem, everything is pubescent. Some small hairiness you can see, and then it also supports many insects like this one. So that is also there. These have come to eat the aphids. Then so small pink flowers. The Justicia are quite easy to recognize because the flower shape is peculiar. That lower lip hangs out, pink lip, and the upper part has a hood kind of shape, like a cobra's hood. So you can see the upper lip is like that, and lower one is there. So petal structure and all, it's not your normal evenly shaped flowering structure. It's a very tiny flower. So this is not, these are the non-charismatic, you can say, almost, because it is neither big nor garishly colored. It's little bit pink is there, but it is kind of inconspicuous and shy type of outlook is there. Then seeds also can be seen here. Seeds are, and this is the tender bud. Next flowers are getting ready there. And then it is it's a shrub, so it will grow. You can grow it as up to some 5 feet, 6 feet, and all, like a little bush at the edges of garden. And since it doesn't require watering and care, it is the one. These are the best plants for these dry deciduous and places. And then since water shortage is an issue everywhere, if you have plants that are able to take care and survive quite well with the rainfall only, that solves a lot of problems of watering and all. And if you are not in town and all, you don't have to worry about these plants dying off. They're quite hardy. So this is Justicia tranquebaris, one of the nice Justicia of Bangalore region, and also all over Karnataka, including Tamil Nadu. It has a widespread distribution, this one.